guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nayeli here, and today I will be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. Everything that you guys see on my face and my body, I did use the products with it. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription where you get 4 to 5 full-size products for the price of $21. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave my link down below. But anyways, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, you guys, first product is the Touch and Soul No Poreblem Prime Essence Primer, retail at $23, a serum slash primer, and I used it for the directions. They said to put it in tapping into your skin like that, and you guys will see in the video. Now, my problem with this primer is that I felt like it left me really oily as to compare to the other primer that they came out a few months ago, that really, once I put it in, it really blurs out my pores. And with this one, I didn't really see much difference. I kind of felt like I was putting water on my skin. So I don't know how I feel about this product. I'll probably end up giving it to my mom because she really needs a primer. So yeah, that's the first product. Alright, next product that they gave us is the TARTE BU Naturally Eyeshadow Palette. Now, the packaging is beautiful. Right now, I'm really into anything that has palms with it. As you can tell, the colors in here are amazing. I think this is going to be my next just everyday go-to palette. I really enjoyed it. As far as quality, there was some... it was a little bit powdery, but it was really easy to blend. So I did this look using the palette. I used the caramel shade, the brown one, and then I used the light pink on the lids and a shimmery one here. You guys will see in the video. I really enjoyed the palette, and this retails for $36. And what they had said in the post is that this palette was actually just for Boxycharm, so that is amazing. I really enjoyed this palette. So next product that came in my box is the Dirty Little Secret lip liner that came in the color pale pink. This retails for $15. I used it to outline my lips and kind of fill it in. This pencil was a little bit drying. You guys will see in the clip where I have it showing it. I don't really know. I really like the color, especially with this lip gloss. It really blended in, but it was a little drying. I don't know how I feel about it. It wasn't very smooth, but anyway, I give it like about a 30 out of 5. So yeah. Alright, next product that came in the box, it is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss in the color Peach Tea. So it's very nice packaging. I'm so glad that they included this in the box because I've been wanting to try out something by hers. When you open it up, it does smell like kind of like it smells like vanilla cake, which was weird because I think me and everyone else thought that it was gonna come out smelling like lemonade, but it's a really pretty color. It's like kind of like a corally pink. Applies really nice. It applies really nice on the lips, so I really enjoyed that. I really like the lip gloss. I think it's something that I will definitely have in my everyday go-to box. And last but not least, I got the Tropez Self Tan Classic. This came also with the mitten, which I thought was pretty nice of them, for them to include this because, you know, putting self tanner can be a really like messy, and that's why I don't really mess with self tanners. But I used it today, and I'll say that I really liked it. It's not messy and it smells good. And I know Tropez is a very like luxurious, like, you know, expensive brand, so I'm glad we're able to try this. This came in a 50 ml bottle, and this retails for $24.50, and I don't know if it's the full size or this size that retails for that, so yeah, I'm not sure. So overall, my box came at $115.50, which is pretty amazing because I'm only paying $21 for it. I will say that in this box, the products that I'm really excited about are the lip gloss, the Tarte palette, and the self tanner. I'm really excited about these three. Just these three are like definitely like more than $21 themselves. As far as the primer, like I said, I'll probably end up giving to my mom because she has more of a drier skin, so I think this will work out for her. And as far as the lip pencil, I'll just have to, you know, work with it. I'll probably have to moisturize, sharpen it up a little bit more. I don't know, like I said, it's a really pretty color, so you know, it's up my alley. It's a neutral color, so I guess these are fine. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like to see me trying all these products, just stay tuned.